Hi, it's Megan with WTI. A while ago, I was looking for a bold pink lipstick in a matte color. I found that in this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mother. I really love the formula of this lipstick. I find that it is super easy to apply and it's very pigmented. So all you need is one swipe on your lips. You don't need to constantly go over areas and reapply to get a good amount of color. And the felt tip I find holds on to a lot of the color. It really gets saturated into the felt tip. And this makes it easy to apply this lipstick precisely. So I don't need to worry about using a lip liner or making a giant mess when I'm applying it on my lips. This lipstick, when it dries to this beautiful matte finish, and the color is just exactly what I was looking for. I have been loving this lipstick for the color payoff and the ease of the application, and that's my point of view.